Today, 3 out of 4 analysts struggle working with big datasets in a fast and efficient way. Luckily, localhost software team has figured out a cheap and simple solution for this long-lasting problem. Our web application transforms the large datasets into modern and efficient visualizations, allowing the user to compare and contrast the provided data in 2 different ways. As a business advantage, you will be able to identify and act on emerging trends faster than any other company. Now, my fellow developers will go in depth in the application itself.
As for the first visualization, we have chosen the collapsible tree. It is a simple and efficient technique that lets you expand the desired nodes to mine information from your dataset.
Our first visualization is a collapsible tree. It is a method of displaying a tree-like structure that expands towards the outer layers. A new layer of children is displayed on a new level of the tree. The parent node will always be on the left. Each expands with a number of nodes, so there will always be space for the next level to appear. The number of nodes expands with the distance from the first node. The visualization is good to properly visualize the relationship between elements in a dataset. Being expandable, it helps with managing each level one by one, even on big datasets.
Interactions are the main features of any good visualization. That's why we implemented 4 of the most useful techniques in order to better read and understand your dataset. The first interaction we have is expanding the tree by pressing on the nodes. The users can analyze each level one by one to make sure they don't leave out any necessary information. At the same time, it is possible to compress the levels, helping people backtrack to the lower levels of the tree. Next, we have implemented action on hover that gives the name of the node to make the distinction between vertices on the same level. Last interaction is highlighting the path from the node to the root. This is useful in showing the hierarchical relationship between different nodes on different levels.
For our second visualization, we wanted to create something more abstract than the collapsible tree. That's why we chose the sunburst visualization, a colorful, radial, enjoyable visualization.
Sunburst is a radial space-filling visualization technique which displays a tree-like structure. The top of the hierarchy is at the center and the levels are displayed as rings around it. Each ring is divided in smaller sections that represent different information present on the same level. These divisions can be represented by different colors or sizes. The color and angle can represent some specific attribute of the data. Angle can represent file or size, while color can represent type. It is an explicit portrayal of the hierarchy structure in general. Comparisons on a large scale are done better on a sunburst due to the visual aids provided, like angles, rings, division of rings, or colors.
Well, what is a visualization without interactions to explore the available data? The radial tree map is suitable for zooming in and zooming out on nodes in order to see the correlation between them. We can observe the visualization of all nodes starting from the root up until the last leaf by zooming in on the first rings. These interactions let the users understand the data better. At the same time, the user can zoom out the interaction to return to the desired nodes or the root. The user can hover on the rings to get more information about the nodes, such as the name. The advantage of hovering the visualization is that the user is aware of which node he is analyzing.
Now we will show you how both visualizations were implemented in the web application. The website is modern, interactive, and easy to use even for casual internet users.
When the user first accesses the website, he will see the landing page. Scrolling down, he will find our goal, pictures, and information about the visualizations that will be used when the dataset is uploaded. Going downwards the page, it will be possible to access the presentation video about our product to get a better understanding of the tool. Next section presents the team interactively with a picture and a small role description in the development process and some funny statistics. Right under the team there will be a choose file button and an upload dataset button. The buttons at the top of the page help the user get to the desired section, skipping through the rest.
Even though our tool seems flawless, there are some hidden issues. The collapsible tree and the sunburst suffer from scalability issues. The bigger the dataset, the more distorted the visualization gets. In conclusion, we hope that we convinced you to try our tool, and as Franklin Roosevelt famously said, the only limit to our realization for tomorrow will be our doubts of today.